Hi! Today is the day when I'm trying to find those dippers like I promised. In this episode I'm using DA 300mm f4 lens with a teleconverter. I already got a few nice pictures last weekend with this combination and I will show those pictures later. First we try to find those dippers. This is a perfect location for the dippers. But the spring is coming so fast that there's a big risk that the dippers are not here anymore. And if we find any, I will grab more stuff. I have some hiding net with me and a small chair. We can try to use those also, but I'm a little afraid that the dippers are already gone. This is same place where I was with that KP and one lens. No dippers here. Maybe they are in the upstream there. Let's try to find them. No, not here. No, not here. Now I'm starting to lose hope. Because those dippers are quite big. You can see those quite easily in the river if they are there. That white collar is very visible. It's quite easy to spot. It's a shame if we don't find any. We still have over a half hour light left, maybe even almost hour. So plan B is no. I already thought I saw. No, it was not. So plan B is the drive some bird route back to home. Bird route means that the places where birds are in the fields in the springtime, and that northern lapwing. That maybe try that next. I'm sorry to disappoint you all, but this is how the photographing, the wildlife photographing goes. You always need some luck to get results. Maybe we walk down there if they are there. there, but that's not the best place to photograph those because there's a quite long way across that small river. There's a still hope. There's always hope. Birds are start to sing more and more. They are telling that spring is coming. Yeah. No dippers at this section. But let's continue, and I will show those last weekend's pictures after this. I might do it at home studio again. I like to finish these birding videos at home studio. And now it started to rain. Not the best possible weather to test this awesome lens. From here starts very good fields where you can find lots of northern lapwings. When they come, these fields are full of those and other birds. And we come later to these fields to find those birds. And now let's continue and try to find something, but I doubt that we don't get any good pictures. But I will show those last weekend pictures soon. Bear with me. There is northern lapwing. It's the field there. I'll try to take one photo. It's far away, but let's take one photo. It was so far away that we barely see it in the picture, but this is the first picture, but what I meant when I wanna search those and take a pictures, I mean good picture. So that was not a good picture, so that project continues. Now we lost all that light what was left, so no pictures. Sun is still in somewhere there, but it doesn't give any light. But now back to studio and I will show those last weekend pictures. Yep, now all my photo sessions with this lens is done. And now I show those last weekend pictures. I was again in a Hanko. That is one of my favorite locations. Adventures of a common man, searching for beauty of this world. Photographer, nature lover, Pentaxian. Join me in my adventures, see world with my eyes. Adventures of a common man, Pentaxian. Searching beauty in details, I walk in forest and seashores, finding beauty in cities of the world, Pentaxian. I'll pack my bags and go join me when I'll go. The weather in Hanko was very nice, and you can see it from those pictures. My initial thoughts. thoughts about this combination. I don't see any quality drop in the pictures, but I kind of notice a little bit slower autofocus, maybe. And some occasions the focusing hunted and didn't get the lock. But my time with this lens was limited, so I cannot be 100% sure how much that teleconverter slowed that lens or focusing down. But if you need light and quite long lens, I can recommend this combination. This is very nice, especially in a car when you are shooting from the car, inside of car. This is very handy there, and of course if you are taking long hikes, this is awesome too. Yeah. But now I have to return this lens and I will go back to my 150 to 450mm lens. But yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and we see in the next one.